Here's the typical, this is like Bowie Road down in Golden Valley, Arizona. As you can see, it's very bumpy. Kind of a windy day. I don't know how far this road goes down here. I'm just kind of exploring down this road. See how far it goes. Yeah, I probably need a GoPro. That's what I need. This thing attaches to the rear view mirror. I don't know how well it does. It doesn't stay where you want it. Unless I'm going real slow. Oh. Oh, look. Somebody sculpted a bear. Right over there to your right. There's big solar panels over there. This is a road. You have to drive real slow down. If you live in Golden Valley, you need four-wheel drive. You just can't do without it. It's just very bumpy. People live here. Well, I live here somewhere. Not down this road. Maybe the other way, but not down this way. I'm just driving down here to see how far this road goes. Exploring. See what else is up here. Oh, of course, you've always got to have somebody behind you that wants to go twice as fast as you. This road's called Abrigo, coming up on the sign there. Abrigo and Bowie. I'm not sure how far this road goes. Eventually somebody's behind you. Oh, he left. And that road. See how that road turns out. Let's see if I can tighten this up a little more. I don't know. I like this little camera deal. I gotta find something that works. Well, anyways, thanks for watching.